Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to change the language in the Etsy app. Whether you want to search in your preferred language or shop abroad, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. Open this app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Etsy app on the home page in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture, which you will click on. Then on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option Settings and click on it. By clicking on the Settings option, the next page will open where you will look for the option Select Language in the drop-down menu and then click on it. The app will open a new page where it will offer you several languages that the app currently supports. All you have to do is select the language and click on it. And that's it. Changing the language in the Etsy app is super unique, whether you do it in the app or through the editing settings. Now you can shop and browse in the language that suits you best. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.